Hello ladies and gentlemen, in today's video we are going to be reviewing the ClonerAlliance Ultra HD Pro Box. With this device you'll be able to record videos from all your devices and it has never been simpler. This device offers a range of features from recording videos to playback to even scheduling recordings and even enabling live streaming, all with a simple click. If you're interested in learning more, then let's dive in. The ClonerAlliance Ultra HD Pro Box is a standalone video recording device. It enables effortless recording from various sources, such as Fire Sticks, Android boxes, set-top boxes, webcams, cameras, camcorders, and game consoles to a USB flash drive, or an external hard drive, supporting an impressive 4K at 30 frames per second. The compact and powerful ClonerAlliance box has a numerous of applications. I use it to capture all the footage you see on my YouTube videos, of my Google devices or Fire Stick devices. Just to be clear, recording from a Fire Stick device, screen recording is very difficult. By connecting the ClonerAlliance box to your Fire Stick or Android box, you can schedule recordings to ensure you never miss a moment. With a single click, you're recording. The ClonerAlliance Ultra HD Pro also features H.265 video compression to reduce storage required to record high quality videos. Now let's see what's included in the box. The ClonerAlliance Ultra HD box is a well structured. On the front you'll see the line in, line out, microphone ports along with a button to switch between H.264 and H.265. A snapshot button for quick image capture and a button to start and stop the recording. On the side there's a port to connect to your PC, turning the ClonerAlliance Ultra HD Pro into PC mode, allowing you to capture and live stream content such as live gaming to YouTube, Twitch and Facebook via your PC or laptop. Further along there's a USB port for storage. On the back you'll find the power on and off button, power in, HDMI out, HDMI in, and on the top you'll see the ClonerAlliance logo and lighting around the side of the box that changes color to indicate the box's current status. The ClonerAlliance Ultra HD Pro also has a rubber feet at the bottom to elevate it slightly, allowing for ventilation through several air vents. Setting up the ClonerAlliance Ultra HD Pro is very easy. Regardless of your level of experience, this journey is for everyone. All you have to do is connect it to your Android box, game console, setup box, or what I am using today will be the Fire Stick. As this uses the box as a standalone video capture device, you will need to connect a storage device, such as a USB device or an external drive. In this video, I will be using a USB device. Connect it to the port and also connect the HDMI to the Fire Stick. And you can connect this to your TV monitor to get the video feed. But as I am today, I will be connecting it to the PC directly to get an image from OBS Studio. Once all your devices are powered up, it will look the same as it usually does, but now you can see all the functions on the side of the screen. You also have a remote control. Let's take a closer look. It's a comfortable sized remote control similar to the Google TV or the Fire Stick with all the features you need. After you've connected everything, you will see it like this right now. There's no input, so you'll still have to turn on the device, in this case Fire Stick, and after you turn it on, it will look like this. It will tell you this current signal, which is full HD 60 frames per second. It's starting to record, and I can even take screenshots in the meantime. The quality is very good, and you'll also see the disk usage. In this case, I'm using a 16 GB USB drive. Of course, you'll only see 14.7 because it's always lower, as you know. Swiping through content is working flawlessly. Also for the recording, I will show that in a bit also. This makes it very easy to record any content you want, but for obviously reasons, I'll be not doing that today, and I'll be only covering what you'll see right now. To stop the recording, you can press the stop button on the side and it will stop recording. To get the data from the USB drive, all you have to do is to take the USB stick out and put it in your PC or laptop. After you've done that, you can search for the drive on your computer. You can turn off the devices you won't be needing. And now I'll be showing you how that looks like. Go to your drive folder, and here you'll see a screenshot that we've taken. It looks very good. And the last thing we're going to check is the recording itself, to check out the quality of the recording. As you can see, it is exactly the same as how you see the device. This works very good. That being said, this video has come to an end. I will leave a link in the description so you can purchase one for yourself if you're interested. If you like this video, please leave me some feedback and don't forget to smash the like button, hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next one.